the big clock in the
That used to
city.
be the tallest building in Brisbane.
Ayan. In the
You
city.
go up the clock tower, you can see the line of Brisbane.
Yep.
What
Picture it, Joy. Picture it. Tapos ipasa sa ako.
what place is this, my love?
That's one now,
This is Brisbane.
That's 93
City.
This is Brisbane City, pal.
Yeah.
That's
Ipasa
King
sa
George-
ako, Jay.
King George
Ah.
Square just there.
Like in New York, you can see like that. The giant watch.
On the other side is
The convent.
This building here must have a heritage building.
Oh, lovely. Well, that's a college for dental college.
But
That used to be
they
dental
moved
college.
over
That
to
is
Hurston.
the
Sorry?
The dental college is